1, go.
The Anna Banana Show, starring Kenna, co-starring Anna. Hello, this is Anna, and this is my best friend Kenna. She had a sprained ankle, that's why she has crutches. Come on, Kenna, show them. Say something. She's giggling. Let's go. Come on. So, we're in here to give you another tour of the house. This is my parents' room. It's a messy room. Trust me. There's my dog, Lois. Lola! Hi. Hi there. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Back it up. Back it up. Come on, yo. Come on, yo. Back it up. Back it up. What?
That is so weird.
I know. This is the kitchen. Don't mind. Okay, so this is where my dog eats, Lois. It's over there. The bowl and stuff. And then that is the coffee maker thingy that makes coffee and stuff. And yeah, we're gonna go to my room, which is so messy. Right here. It's pretty messy.
Not that messy though.
Yeah. This is my room. And if you're all wondering, I have my phone. That's my best friend, Catherine. Sup, Catherine? This is a shout out from all the cast from Anna Show. So yeah. So then we're gonna go back in the living room. Come on. Hold on.
This is gonna get easy.
And then we're going to bring it all the way down to Florida. Go Kenna, go Kenna, go Kenna. What? Do you think that it's done now? Well, come on Kenna, let's go. We're gonna wave goodbye.